like a subscription service, and this service would be every end user would provide as much information as they would like into such a system. The more information you provide, the better the information would be that returns to you. So I, being Jim, actually have my normal route to work as part of this system, as well as a map view if I would like. So as my day progresses, as I'm driving to work, I notice that there's a delay. It also gives me an estimated time of the delay will occur because it knows traffic environments and the congestion, and it also has information about the bridge that closed as well as what the actual thing is. Everyone knows when something happens, do I wait or do I have to do something else, right? So not only will the system provide another route to drive, what if everyone were to use the same thing? Everyone would have new congestion trying to avoid the accident. So we're optimizing the routes provided to each end user, customized based on their preferences as to modes of travel they'd like to take. So not everyone gets the same information via the system, and they're given alternatives like using other modes of transportation that are available within that environment. So I selected the parking ride. It changed my itinerary. Notice it's much more complicated. But not only can I provide directions within such a system, I can provide services and integration to other things along my route, such as parking. I can take a look at the parking, and we all know we've found the parking lot and their parking is out. What I can do is pre-reserve the spot so it's ready for me when I get there, as well as prepay for it. So I don't have to have exact change, I don't have to carry around a wallet if I didn't want to. It's a secure interaction that the web application would provide to the end user. Additionally, such an environment, imagine I'm driving, I wouldn't want to actually be interacting with this environment by looking at it and touching, and then I would end up crashing. I can also interact with such a system using points. So here's an interaction I can provide. I can ask coffee to be added to my itinerary. So typically on my way to work, I also pick up some coffee, but this is a new route that I'm taking, which is different from my normal route. So it's going to add coffee at the optimal place where I can stop, as well as, because it knows about me, it can pre-reserve the order that I like. And because it knows where I am in my itinerary, it has an estimated arrival time, and it will order for it to be available at that arrival time so it's warm and hot when I get there to pick it up, and I don't have to wait in line for it. And lastly, I can use this as a completely interaction with other users within a system. So this is my wife. When her itinerary changes, I can get notifications provided she allows me access to see that information. And lastly, not only will it give me maps along the subway system as to where I need to be, but I can use my mobile device as my ticket, so I don't actually have to pay again. I can have it within my device and just swipe it and go.
Thank you very much. This is really amazing. We appreciate your time and explaining it to us. Thank you.
Thank you.